This is the Kodak Alaris S2050. It's a 50 pages per minute, small, powerful, intuitive scanner, and today we're going to show you a little bit how to get it set up and start. This scanner comes with a power cord, a USB cord, and the input tray, which we'll show you later how to connect. To connect the input tray, we're going to take the bottom here and connect it to the top here. Click it in like so. And then for the wires on the back of the scanner, we'll have the USB and the power cord. When you're ready to scan your documents, you have a couple options for your input and your output tray. You can extend this up for longer documents, as well as extend the output tray down, a little catch flap for your output. With an intuitive color user display, you can scan quickly and easily with pre-configured setups using Kodak Alaris' Smart Touch technology. And this concludes a demo of the Kodak Alaris S2050.